Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on my brand new cigar haul. Now this box is very special because it's my first ever cigar box. Now the reason I took so long to buy a cigar box is because I really wanted to make sure that the first box I get are cigars that I genuinely enjoy and that I would love to have in my collection. And for me, this is the perfect first box. Now a little bit of backstory, I did have 2 Shamrock cigars last year and I absolutely loved the cigar. I can honestly say that this is my favorite cigar of all time so far, hence why I bought the box. So as you can see, this is the Alec Bradley Filthy Hooligan Shamrock cigars. Now there is another version which is just the Filthy Hooligan. It does have 2 wrappers, but the Shamrock version actually has 3 wrappers as opposed to 2. Not only that, but they make a smaller quantity of the Shamrock cigars as opposed to the regular Alec Bradley Filthy Hooligan, which means this one, the Shamrock, is a little more rare and can be a little harder to find. Now these cigars are a limited edition. They're usually released near St. Patrick's Day, and so if you do want to get yourself a box of these, make sure you keep an eye out during St. Patrick's time. So let's start unboxing. So first of all, I really do like the box. I love the color contrast between the green and the gray. Here we have the Shamrock Filthy Hooligan. Here we have Alec Bradley 2024 limited release. Again, 2024 Shamrock Alec Bradley 6th edition, which I don't know what 6th edition means. I'm assuming that it might be the 6th year that they released these cigars. But if I'm wrong, definitely let me know in the comments below. This box does contain 10 cigars, so it's going to be 10 of the Toro size. Here at the bottom, we do have 10 premium cigars. Alec Bradley 2024, handmade in Honduras. So overall, I really do like the box's simplicity. And honestly, I do feel it's a very good looking box. So let's get inside. I'm going to flip this open, break this little sticker. Alright, so here we have the Shamrock cigars. Very nice, very simple, beautiful packaging. Here again we have Shamrock, Alec Bradley, Black Market, Filthy Hooligan. We have a really cool Alec Bradley label here. And I mean overall, I think this is a great little St. Patrick's Day box. Moving on to the inside. Then as you can see inside, we do have 10 of the Shamrock Alec Bradley cigars. As you can see, a beautiful looking cigar, triple wrapped in the barber pole design. And not only do these cigars look amazing, but they taste amazing as well. I'm actually super excited that I was able to get my hands on a box this year because I was definitely craving them after trying 2 last year. And I mean overall, if you guys are looking for a very natural, sweet tobacco flavor, I think these Alec Bradley Filthy Hooligan Shamrock cigars are an amazing choice. If you have access to these Shamrock cigars, I definitely recommend that you pick them up, especially because they're only available once a year. Highly recommend them.